Hey guys, meet little handsome Harold this morning. This is number 5 that I've caught in about 3 hours. And moles are moving really good today. We had some rain, so the ground's really soft. And I got out early this morning after I walked runs down last night, and I also walked some more runs down that I'd missed last night. But this is not as hard as you think. If you want to catch your own moles, I'd love to teach you how. You can follow me on Facebook, Instagram, or YouTube. Check out some videos with tutorials. I'd love to teach you how to catch your moles. God bless you all from the Mole Eliminator. This little dude is heading to the motel. All right, here you go, buddy. Dig away. You'll be heading to your new home soon.